What we got going on here today, I'm going to change this tire here. This happens to be on a snow blower, like a lawn tractor or that, same principle. So what I did here to break the bead on the tire here off of the rim, I took and made a little stand here. I'm going to put that on the ground and step on it. But before we do that, I'm going to take the core out of the valve stem here. You can get one of these little tools at most automotive stores, or they do have a cap that has one built in. It would be much less expensive than a $5 tool here. Okay, I got the bead broke on one side here all the way around, and then I'm going to flip it over and break the bead on the other side. As you can see, the beads broke all the way around. Now what we'll do is pull up on the tire and then peel it off the edge here. Okay, now we got it like this, we can just simply try to peel the tire off the rim here. Okay, we just simply pull that out. It helps a lot if you take some dish soap and a little bit of water and then put it on the rim here. It'll help it slide off easier. Okay, I cleaned the rim up here on the edge where the tire bead sits. That's this area here. And what I'm going to do is take a little bit of dish soap, put it on there, a little bit of water and dish soap. That'll help the tire slide on there and get a nice good seal. And the other side here, we'll just push it on down. Okay, it's a little bit of a fight there, but put a little soap on there, be able to get this on here. Okay, next we'll put our core back in the valve stem there. Now what we want to try to do is get the tire as far out to the rim as we can, to hopefully when we put air in it, it'll go ahead and the bead will pop on there and seat. And if you can't do that, if you try and you try and try, put a rope on here and then push it down and it'll expand the tire out. You just put your rope on there and then collapse your tire and put air in it. Okay, it helps if you have an assistant. I'm going to go ahead and pull this cord here and then collapse the tire. And it's very important to keep your fingers out from here, because you will end up squirting blood all over.